You've done some emotional support. Oh my goodness, that is disgusting. Okay.
So how are you coping with all the fame?
Oh, Jesus.
That's not open to...
Тебе животное домой.
He's affecting the egg industry. Oh my God!
ABC7, would you not eat my pants?
Talking about a heat wave and an advisory from okay, that is distracting. We're also going to be
save our wild species and provide a home.
It's just one of many different things you can check out.
No, hold him tight. Hold him tight. Hold him. I am. Hold him tight.
Looking for at least one, maybe two.
De lo que hoy en día se puede considerar, sí, y evidente.
Nonetheless, sorry.
Today at the show,
$4,000 in protection equipment to ensure Officer Donut's safety.
Komisija predstavila 750 milijardi eura težak fond.
8 плюс 9 градусов. Стоять! Иди сюда! Эй, стой!
And jumping onto sidewalks, Rochester police responded to us after we reached out. They said, quote, officers monitored this.
How are you? Woo! Live TV. How are you, buddy? It's not your turn yet.
All of... No, you can't do that.
The possibility.
Whoa. Hey, Kat.
Good morning. I'm John Paul.
And I'm Kelsey Karen. This is a Good Day Memphis update.
I'm sorry. I tried to keep it together. I was like, what was that?
Which cat is that?
That's Puffy.
Puffy.